Bayern will be dominant, but Chelsea will have something to
I
fight
mean,
for. I see a 1-1
let's
draw.
make it quick, oh, please. I don't know, I know vex. My phone go
Eh,
back to the
What
government.
want to do happy?
One
I
one.
want to do against Bayern.
Yeah,
I play for
I
Liverpool.
see a 1-1.
No wahala. Emirates, your take Bayern Chelsea.
Okay, Bayern
Your
Chelsea,
prediction,
right?
Emirates.
Bayern Chelsea.
Yes,
That's
yes.
a 3-1 win for Bayern. A 3-1 win for Bayern. I feel like I'm too generous. I'm being generous to Chelsea. Sef. I would have said something like 4-1, but then I don't want to be too stingy.
Please, generous. Chelsea fit still win.
3-1 win for Bayern.
All right.
4-2
May
Bayern.
your prediction for the game, please. All right.
Hey, God, too.
I
I
go
do feel
for
like
the
Bayern's
3-1 for Bayern
Chelsea
too.
defense will be
So
too.
let's go.
I don't know how the Bayern's Bayern's,
Yes,
Bayern's
the
attack
attack.
are a
Onisekhen
handful, so
and
it's going to be a
Diaz.
very interesting game.
Mona leave am for
My
Maresca. I'm not no worry. Not tomorrow now, Abi.
Yes, boss.
Yeah, no, I
No
beg,
problem. Problem.
let's go to Anfield. Anfield, Liverpool are welcoming Atletico Madrid from Spain. Ray, how do you see the game ending? ATM, Liverpool
I'll
Madrid,
go
Liverpool ATM, sorry.
Liverpool to win. 2-1, 2-1 Liverpool.
All right. William, your prediction.
Liverpool
Na
2-0.
lie.
Viet supposed get one good contribution there.
At least.
Where's supposed to be bench
Agenda was
tomorrow?
adjourned.
No,
Emirates,
money real. Where's supposed to be bench tomorrow? Make
Emirates,
suppose
your
like
prediction.
Makalita.
I think I don't. I heard Alvarez is injured. I
Alvarez is
believe
injured.
he's
Wow.
one of the person I was scared of most. Yes, he's not playing tomorrow.
Yeah, he didn't play
I
the
will
last
go with
game.
Liverpool win 2-0.
All right. For me, I beg you, I think we have 0-0 draw. Um,
Sharp. It's possible now.
0-0 draw.
Prediction.
You smoke.
It's possible, Sha.
Ask ATM came to Anfield one certain time. They played. It
2-3.
was not 1-1. I mean, at 0-0. They even played. They can't score 9 minutes goal. Can't score a 10 minutes goal. 3 minutes the match. No
That
matter. So it's possible. ATM feed one. Um,
but without Alvarez.
let's go
That
to
one go out.
PSG, the champions. They are facing Atlanta. Brilliant. How do you see the game ending?
Sorry?
PSG at home to Atlanta. How do you see the game ending?
PSG versus Atalanta.
Yes,
Ah, okay. To P- PSG will win.
scoreline.
PSG will win. PSG will win Atalanta. Let's say 2-0.
All right. Emma, your prediction.
PSG. I'll go 3-1.
PSG to win
Yeah, your
2-0.
prediction. Okay. For me, PSG, Atalanta. 3-0.
Sharp.
PSG to win the match 3-0.